Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Zipmex application on your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Zipmex application on your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Zipmex and make a search. You're going to see the application displayed on the screen. Here, as you can see, there is no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my application. But if the updates are available in your case, simply tap on update option to update your application, and that is how you will be able to update your Zipmex application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.